Welcome to Max's Toys.
To the channel. Today, this is a great digger. It's great digger. I'm
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, Max's Toys. Today we got a crazy, exciting video. As you can tell, Max is super excited already. This baby just came in the mail today.
Great
Grave digger, RC car, remote control. All the way from Aunt Misha in Hawaii. We got this today. He was super excited. We're so excited.
Great digger.
So let's show you guys what came in the box. Okay, so we got
Great digger.
famous grave digger RC car.
It's the grave
Look at the
digger.
detail on that.
It's great digger.
Yeah, Max got the small grave digger. We have another one. I don't know where it is, but look at the detail, just like the bigger one, just like the real thing. The BKT tires, green rims, silver exhaust, skulls, all the grave, all the stones. Look at that.
Look,
the flames in the front, the lights.
Look, guys. Look here.
Look at that. I know, it's crazy. I know.
Great digger.
And on top we got
Great digger. Little channel.
Sorry, we got bad to the bone. Look at that. Wow. Is this so cool? Are you so excited?
Yeah.
And then it came with the remote, which came with batteries already, which is nice. And then when you're going to charge it tonight, I think it charges.
The box.
Charges somewhere just with the USB cord. And it comes in this cool box. It tells you kind of everything that comes with it. And the cool thing about this box is it changes into a ramp. I guess. There's El Toro out there still. El Toro next. Yeah, I know. Look, El Toro is on there too. We gotta get El Toro too.
It's a great digger.
High octane performance explosives.
So
Oh,
much
that's French. God, are you so excited?
Yeah.
It's like it's a 1/15 scale, and it comes with USB, and it comes with batteries that are in their remote. So I guess now we'll have a little fun with it, and then we'll build the ramp, and then I guess we'll go outside and play with it. You want to do that?
Great digger.
Look at that, turned into a stunt ramp. Wow. Okay, let's figure out how you make the ramp now. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's jump right into it.
Great digger.
Okay, so now we have the box open. Hold on, Max. We just make the thing first. It tells you. So I guess the instructions are on the flaps right here. It actually shows you the instructions. Okay, so let's.
Great digger. A great digger. What's great digger? It's great digger. It was great digger. It's great digger. It's great digger. It was great digger. It's great digger. It's great digger. It's the great digger. It's great digger.
Alright, guys, we figured it out.
Wow. Wow.
Okay,
Wow.
so
Wow. Wow.
now we got this side. Alright, guys, after 3 years of building this, this is the final product. There's the ramp. Okay, let's grab El Toro. And then so, I guess he's supposed to go fast enough to launch. Oh, that was cool. Oh. Wow. Okay, let's grab the man of the hour.
Go.
Oh. Grave digger. Oh.
That's great
Oh.
digger. It's great digger. So
Did you see that? He did like a wheelie. Ready?
Set, go.
Go. Oh, front flip. Ah, I crashed.
Throw away. We're going around.
Oh. backflip. Oh, crash.
Go great digger.
Oh, he landed.
It's close truck.
Gotta charge it. Oh.
Benny.
Let's try to do backflip. Ah.
See?
Oh, thank you, camera.
Go. Do
Oh.
it. Do move it.
That was so cool, huh?
Good. Go. Oh.
Oh.
Show it. Oh.
Oh.
Scratch. Scratch.
Oh. Okay, so it pretty much died, so we're gonna charge it right now. And it said that we just gotta pull this off. Try to do it with one hand. There we go. There's a charging cable in there. That's so cool. And it just plugs into like an Apple phone or an Apple adapter or something. Let's go find the. Maybe we have one in the drawer. Alright, it fit. Now, let's see. Plug that in. Now, I'm gonna see if it's charging. Oh, there's the light. It's charging. Alright, after it's done charging, we're gonna go outside and play. Alright?
Oh wait! I heard that. Spinning! It's spinning! It's spinning! Oh dirt! Oh dirt! That's cool. Look! Heard that? Whistle the burn. Oh, it's cool.
buddy.
Michael, bye.
Thank you so much for watching our video today.
Michael,
I hope you guys liked it. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more
Subscribe.
fun videos. Alright, Shaka. Bye.
Bye.